Hello dear students, welcome back to the class and आज हम discuss करने वाले हैं about the board exam of class 10th, the most important topic, please to watch. So is there any confusion related to the syllabus preparation plan for the mathematics? So I'm here to help you and आज से हम एक series भी start करेंगे जिसमें मैं cover करने वाली हूँ सारा syllabus जो भी 2022 board exam में आने वाला है. We have around 1 month target जिसमें हम target करेंगे सारे concepts को, important questions, previous year solved question, and also we will discuss about this, the plan and statistics that how we can score 50 out of 50 in this coming exam. So as you know that the CBSE is divided into term 1 and term 2 exam. So ये है जो term second exam के बारे में जो हम बात करने वाले हैं. Okay, so let's get started. And if you are new to channel, please do subscribe and like my videos. So before starting, let me tell you about my channel. Here you will get what? Basically, the channel is about, about the CBSE class 9th and mathematics. It will be covering all the CBSE updates. Okay, and then there will be quick solution to the NCERT. Like I will be covering NCERT most preferably because you know that in CBSE board exam, this is one of the NCERT syllabus is preferred most, and most of the question comes from NCERT rather than any reference book. And I will be covering class 9th and 10th mathematics subject. Okay, and previous year questions practice will be there for class 10th board exam. All right, and please do write and subscribe my channel, like the video. Okay, so let's get started now. So first of all, let me talk about the syllabus. Okay, you know that the CBSE has given a vision syllabus for the term 2 exam, making more easier to help the children to focus on the syllabus and on the chapter more easily. You know that 2 years back, the syllabus was like you have to study entire book at the end of the year. But this is a good opportunity for you to score 100 percentile. How you're going to score it, we'll discuss here. First of all, we should have a look on the syllabus. So first is unit 1 is algebra, which contains 10 marks. Please do notice always, most of the students, what they do, they just go to the entire syllabus and they just think that, okay, this chapter I don't know, this I don't know. First of all, your vision should be always, you should know that weightage of the chapter and give importance accordingly. Suppose there is a chapter containing 2 or 3 marks, right? And no need to give 15 or 16 of the day just to focus on the chapter if you're not that much good in that chapter. First, focus on that chapter which has a good weightage and you have a good command on it. Correct. So this algebra will be containing only 2 chapters. One is the quadratic equation, okay, and second one is arithmetic progression. And these 2 chapters if you prepare this 2 chapter, you are scoring 10 marks. The 10 marks are going to be secure, and these two chapters are very easy. Okay, I'll be starting the series from this series only. This like we'll be discussing about the quadratic equation first, arithmetic progression, and this way I'll be continue the series and I will try to give you the updates very soon as I can. Okay, then you have unit 2, that is geometry. Again, it contains 9 marks, and this geometry portion becomes relatively hectic with some of the students. Like you feel that this is very toughest part, but it is actually not. You will come to know that how easily you can solve this. All geometry portions, circles, constructions are very easy level. But then I will recommend you, if you feel that geometry part is little, not, it's not comfortable for you, please take it to the last. Why I'm saying that? Because what happened when you start with the chapter which is in which you are scoring less marks, or which is your negative point, let me say. So what happens, you get demotivated. You feel like मैं तो इसके क्वेश्चंस कर ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ, सर्कल्स तो मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्शन मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा है, आई एम गोइंग टू लूज दिस इन दिस मैथमेटिक्स एग्जाम. So first of all, you need to boost up yourself. Once you will getting a boost of yourself, you will getting that things clear. So, okay, so you can derive the category accordingly. Third unit is going to be trigonometry. It's going to be just halwa. I will explain this chapter and you will be solving this chapter using just your fingertips. And this chapter will give you the 7 marks. Make it that this chapter is going to decide what your percentage is going to be, because the single chapter height and distances, which is very easy as compared to the trigonometry ratio, which comes in term 1 exam. You can easily go through this, right? So this is one of the, you can say that plus point which contains in your syllabus, that is height and distance. Then fourth unit is mensuration, and it will cover 6 marks. It is surface area and volume. This chapter is little bit more time consuming because you have a lot of numerals to solve here, and then you have a lot of formulas to write. So okay, we'll work on this and we'll make mind maps for all these chapters to get revised chapters easily. Okay, then unit 5 contains statistic and probability containing 8 marks. In this only you have to study for the statistic, because probability you have already given exam in your term 1. So this was all entire syllabus of the CBSE term 2 exam of mathematics class 10th. And according to this, we need to plan out. So one thing you must be seeing that the chapter 5th, that is height and distance containing trigonometry, contains 7 marks only by one chapter. You're getting those 7 marks. Similarly, surface area, volume, 6 marks, and statistics. So these 3 chapters, if you do these 3 chapters, you are you are just covering around 15 and 6, let's say 21 marks. And if you're planning to just get passed, because there are some students whose maths is so weak and they don't want to opt in that future for the mathematics, they want to change the branch, and they are opting for the basic maths. So for you also, I will make the separate video. In this, I can just say that you just pick up the easiest chapter you feel. Okay, like quality equation is very easy to solve. Okay, height and distance is there. Surface area, volume, you can just go through the formulas and you can solve it applying it. Then yeah, statistics. So if you follow these only chapters, also arithmetic progression, so you will be covering around 30 marks, very easy. So this is a syllabus containing of 40 marks. 40 marks will be your written and 10 marks will be assessment, which will include your formative test, and then there will be including your assignments given by this teacher, all these things. So 10 marks will be internal marks, you can say, from the school side, and 40 marks is here. So out of 40, you can score 20 to 30 very easily. You have to work harder for only that last 10 marks. Are you understanding that? Okay, so let's move to the tips to follow to get 100 percentile. Okay, so for this, first tip will be make clear vision of the syllabus. Like I explained the syllabus with the marking details. So the vision should be clear. You should be very clear that which all chapters are going to come. Clear? Then plan according to marking scheme. As I discussed just now, you have to plan according to the marks which is scheme containing. Give importance to the chapter according to their marks. Okay, then focus on the chapter which have a high weightage. Okay, and then make your positive side more strong. Don't think that ye chapter to ho hi jayega, leave it. Make that chapter 100% sure. Like suppose you are very good in arithmetic progress and solving AP, right? So make that chapter like you are scoring, if the 6 marks questions coming from the chapter, you should get 6 out of 6. That is my point to say. Okay, and then make mind maps for the chapters for quick revision. So what happened when suppose you are near to the exam, like day after tomorrow's exam or tomorrow's exam, so today night you can just go through the mind maps only. You don't have time to solve the questions or read the chapters. So follow the mind map. Also, I will be providing some mind maps from my side for every chapter. Okay, so thanks for the watching, children, and I love to teach you, and I hope the video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe my channel to get me motivated, and also comment below that which chapter explanation you want first. Okay, so okay, we'll both together will go to the exam. Do like and subscribe my channel, comment below, and share with your friends to know the updates about it. And if there is any query related to the CBSE update or related to any any questions or anything, you can just comment below. I will try to make separate video on that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.